Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Download and install Office. So here I'm gonna give you a few options on downloading and installing Office, and I'm gonna give you a warning that you don't want to do. So here, as you see right here, you want to download and install your Office right here. Just type in here for this Microsoft Office right there. Then click right here. After clicking right here, you can sign up and get your Microsoft right here. So this one right here includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and we have see more apps, and we have Outlook, OneNote, Defender, OneDrive, Decide, and ChipChamp. So there, so we got a lot of stuff there, but it's for it has a payment need to buy. So yeah, um, there. So we can see we're just gonna look at the plans. So here are all the plans. So we have the yearly, saves us a 19.89 with yearly plan. There guys, you can see Microsoft 364 personal 99 so we have this one right here, saves us, but here's are all the pricing as you can see guys as of now. If we do it monthly, here are the pricing for him. And another way to download is by downloading the Microsoft Store. Then there you go. Then type in Office right here. Then here is the here right here. Click on this one right here. Microsoft Personal, but if you want family, which can be allowed for many devices, but here is for personal, 1 terabyte right here. Just download it right here. You can download it right here, and you can see all the plans right here in your Microsoft Store in your PC. As you can see, there you go, guys. There you go. Buy it and download it. After downloading it, will automatically install for you guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. And a quick tip for you guys. Here is what you don't want to do. Yeah, like don't do this, guys. This is for educational purposes only because some of this has virus and some of this is not good. So there you go, guys. This is a quick tip for you guys. Don't download any of those. Just be aware of those type of what they call this, those type of viruses. I've downloaded that so you can see. Do not try those because some of those or all of those has viruses. So yeah, I suggest not using those kinds of Microsoft what they call this, Microsoft downloaders. I suggest using and buying from the official Microsoft Office right here. So yeah, there you go. So I hope you guys can review. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.